assembly of these types of guides, pretty easy. Here's your basic braid. Doesn't matter whether it has a dimple or not. You just fold it right there. Fold it down. And then it goes into the front of the guide like this. Just like that. Put it in. You can see it right there. And then fold the braid over. Okay. There. Now, that area right there, that's where you solder your lead wire to. So, you get your solder, you can pre-tin this area and the wire, lay it right there and solder it. I can just tell you that, yes, you can jam the wire in the front of these, you know, if you don't want to solder, but I just don't recommend it. It's just easy assembly. You're already soldering and building your chassis. Just solder the lead wire right there. Hope that helps you.